Okay, this is Mrs. Reynolds,
And Mrs. Bear.
and we're going to walk you through examples 2 and 3 on your dilations packet.
Page N11.
N11. Okay, so example 2 says, I'm going to read that, Mrs. Bear.
Triangle ABC has vertices A, the coordinates 0, 2, B, the coordinates are 4, 4, and C, the coordinates are -1, 4.
And then it says, what are the vertices of its image with the scale factor of 4? Now, if you were taking notes on the slide that was just prior to this, you'll remember that we write a rule, x comma y is, and then an arrow, that's an arrow, and then you write 3x comma 3y. So this would be a scale factor of 3. Therefore, a scale factor of 4 is going to look like this. xy dilates or becomes, thank you, becomes 4x comma 4y. So then what are the vertices of its image with the scale factor of 4? So what do I do, Mrs. Bear?
Well, we need to look at the coordinates of A. And originally, in the pre-image, it was 0, 2. So if the scale factor is 4, all the coordinates are going to be 4 times as large as they were. So let's take 0 here, multiply it by 4, you get 0.
0.
The x-coordinate was 2, multiply 2 by 4, and you get
8.
8.
So the y is 8.
So A prime is now the coordinate 0, 8.
Okay, and then b prime is 4 times 4.
Is 16.
I didn't give myself much space here, did I?
And then again, 4 times 4.
16. Okay, hopefully you've given yourself more space. And then the c coordinate is -1, 4. So -1 is
4.
-4.
And 4 times 4 is 16.
So c prime is -4, 16.
So now all the coordinates are 4 times as large as they were because the scale factor was 4.
Okay. So then in example 3, it says quadrilateral PQRS has vertices. P is -2, 4, Q is 4, 4, R is 4, -2, and then S is -4, -4. It is dilated by a scale factor of 1/2. So knowing what you know about how this is going to dilate or increase things, if you have a scale factor of 1/2, it's probably going to make things smaller, right?
Because as our notes showed earlier, if the scale factor is less than 1, or between 0 and 1 technically, then the shape will become smaller.
Yeah, so every x coordinate point is going to be half the value of the x of the original or the pre-image. So our points are P, and we want to do P prime. And how will we do that, Mrs. Bear?
So the original x-coordinate on the pre-image is -2. Half of -2 is -1. Or you could do 1/2 times -2 is -1.
Okay.
The y-coordinate is 4. Half of 4 is
Well, that's 2.
And that would be your P prime coordinates.
Okay. So then the Q prime is 4, 4. So half of 4 is 2. And again, half of 4 is 2. Okay. And then I'll get a different color for my R. R prime. So 4, -2.
So half of 4 is 2, and half of -2 is -1.
-1. And then the last one is S prime. Am I still on the screen?
Ms. Reynolds, I almost didn't see the S. I think a lot of students might miss it. It's way over
Yeah,
here.
it
Snuck
is.
it in there. Good thing you were paying attention.
It is, and it's actually almost off the screen here. Look, S,
Oh, there it is.
-4, -4.
So half of -4 is -2, And half of -4 again is -2.
Yep.
And now we can plot those points and we can draw our pre-image and our image.
So I've already gone ahead and plotted the original image. Thank you. Yes. Please use a straight edge. This is the original image. This is the pre-image, in other words. And I already have these points plotted to save time. So you should pause your video and plot those points for this quadrilateral. So the prime points, let's do those in red.
-1, 2 is P prime.
And then Q is 2, 2. Hi, Mrs. Malatesta. 2, 2 is Q prime.
Yes.
And R is 2,
-1.
-1.
R prime.
And then -2, -2.
Is S prime.
I also like to just take a quick look and make sure this looks like similar to my original shape, so I know I haven't made a major error.
We think of it as putting it inside of a copy machine and shrinking it down.
Yeah. Remember that movie, Honey, I Shrunk the Kids?
Yes.
Honey, I Shrunk the Polygon. Ha, 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 ha. That's good. That's really good. Do you think they're laughing?
No.
I don't think they're laughing. Okay, so we are going to stop the video there. We are not going to cover B yet, so please leave that blank, B for blank, and go ahead and leave C blank for today. We'll talk about that in class together. Thank you, and
Thank you.
have a great day.